Hey guys, welcome back to Sean's Bistro. So today we are making some of the best in class tuna fish. We're putting it on a cauliflower thin. It's called a sandwich thin. I just like to call it that. It's made from cauliflower. And we got some SkipJack Tuna right here. It's low in mercury and it's very yummy. And then we got the best in class also avocado mayonnaise, very good for in the tuna. And then we got some Himalayan pink salt right here. And we got some pepper. And we got some everything with the bagel seasoning. And then we got a half a teaspoon of pickle juice. And we got the Bubby's pickles. They're kosher dill and they are very good. This is the package for the cauliflower thins, the sandwich thins. And we cut up some of the dill pickles. And so let's put a crack of salt in here and a little crack of pepper and mix that all up. And then we put a little touch of the everything but the bagel seasoning. It's the flavor of it. And then we pour in the half a teaspoon of the pickle juice. Don't tell anybody, it's my secret. And now it's very moist, and now we line this one with pickles. Good, and then we get a big scoop of the tuna fish and plop it on there. And maybe a little more. And then we put the other sandwich thin on top, and let's try it. My God, that is so good. So I highly recommend you make this. I don't usually eat the albacore because the skipjack is the albacore is very high in mercury, and that is bad for your whole entire body. And the skipjack isn't, so and it tastes way better. And I highly recommend that. Everything with the bagel seasoning. We got that from Trader Joe's. You can get the Bubbies from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. And you can get the tuna from Costco. And I think that's it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.